The gutter Hawg, North America's favorite gutter cleaning tool. Screws on any standard threaded pole. Start by removing any debris out of the gutter that's close to the ladder. Then with the gutter tool, pull the debris towards you. With the hook side, you can poke the debris underneath the nail, passing it through. By extending the length of the pole, you can reach debris several feet away from you, meaning you don't have to move the ladder so often. The gutter Hawg and pole safely hooks onto the ladder as you climb it. Several feet of gutters can be cleaned out in no time. You can also clear out debris hiding in sneaky places, such as behind the skylight window. Get your gutter Hawg today at thewindowcleaningstore.com.